How to find recently deleted photos and videos on your iPhone iOS 18. Now, if you have the newest version of iOS, which is iOS 18, recently they have changed some buttons on the Photos application. Now to proceed, you want to go ahead and click on Photos right here. And once inside Photos, you can then go ahead and see all of your photos inside the application. Now you simply want to go ahead and scroll down, and once you have reached the bottom, you can then go ahead and see the utilities right here. Inside utilities, you have your hidden photos or videos, recently deleted photos or videos, recently saved, and recently viewed. To go ahead and view your recently deleted photos and videos, you simply want to click on the recently deleted right here. It will then go ahead and prompt you to scan your Face ID, and inside you can now go ahead and see all of your photos and videos. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.